Have you noticed that suddenly everything is expensive? Not just luxuries, but necessities. Food, healthcare, even basic participation in everyday life. This isn't innovation. It's what happens when systems stop believing in the future. There's a concept called a fire sale. It doesn't mean panic, it means controlled urgency. When organizations believe growth is slowing or stability is fading, they stop building long term and start extracting short term. They pool tomorrow's money into today. That's when you see fees layered onto essentials, subscriptions replacing ownership, debt marketed as convenience, and standards quietly lowered. Individually, these choices seem disconnected, but together they tell a very interesting story. Look around you. You can finance groceries. Medical bills are aggressively collected. Services that used to be included now cost extra. Participation feels less like citizenship and more like a transaction. Healthy systems monetize by creating value. Stress systems monetize by lowering the barrier to extraction. That's not growth. It's liquidation, disguised as modernization. Fire sale behaviors don't require malice. It requires uncertainty. When leadership stops trusting long-term stability, oversight weakens. Safeguards become inefficiencies. Short-term numbers matter more than long-term trust. And when mistakes happen, they don't land on the institutions that made them. They land on individuals, quietly, legally, and repeatedly. The danger isn't sudden collapse, it's normalization. People adjust to debt as the default, fees as unavoidable, and errors as their responsibility. Trust doesn't vanish overnight. It erodes through 1,000 small extractions. And that's why so many people feel something is wrong, but they struggle to explain it. Here's the lens that ties these stories together. When institutions believe in the future, they build. When they don't, they extract. Once you recognize fire sale behavior, you stop asking, why is this happening? And you start asking, what does this system believe about what comes next? The question changes how you see everything. If you want deeper breakdowns like this, links are below.